this is Gospel from Sendpiper, and in our last video, I illustrated how to create a trigger on Sendpiper, and in this particular video, I'll be showing you how to create a flow. So flow, you click flow, you just head on to bots, see trigger and flow are in the same place, so you just click on flow. Now when you get to flow, you can decide to create a new flow or edit existing flows. So you just click on create new. Now you can give this flow a name. So WhatsApp outreach, you can see description, reach us, customer reaches us on WhatsApp. Now select trigger. So I'll select the trigger I just created, WhatsApp outreach, and instantly once I click create flow, it will be connected. So now it automatically load this interface for me to start creating my first DM automation. So what do I want for my customer? So when you are publicizing what you do and you say comment the word W or send me a DM or send W and I'll send you the link, then immediately once the customer type W in your inbox or in your social media inbox, they instantly get this response that we'll be creating right now. So I'll click message and then I will go to this notch icon here and drag it to the start notch to connect it. Now that you have connected this flow, the next step is to click inside the box, then click add, you click type, then you type something like reach me on WhatsApp or thank you for your interest, reach me on WhatsApp. So you add a button, then it'll be like chat with me now, then you paste your URL. So in this case, it is my WhatsApp link. So once they click on that link, they are going straight to chatting with me on WhatsApp. So you can use your product link page, you can use your website landing page, you can use any link at all that would direct people from your social media inbox to that exact page where you want them to take action on. So in this case, this can be done automatically. Once you set it, you don't need to use it anymore. The moment they type the trigger word, either uppercase W or lowercase w, they get straight to receiving this link, then they take action. So that's how it works. So you can decide to continue flow. Probably after you click that link, there's another flow or it goes back, but in this case, this is enough. The moment they type W, I send them this, it triggers this automation and they go straight to chatting with me on WhatsApp. So click add. So if you want to add more messages, you can, but this is fine. So you can decide to also wait for the subscriber response, but in this case, the subscriber don't need to respond. The moment they type W, the trigger word, they receive this link straight up and they get on to chat with me on WhatsApp. So I click apply configuration. So you can see instantly it has been connected. So I'll click save changes and see flow saved successfully. So let's test this out. And just click out of this box. You can see. So once this is done, you go head on to your channel. You can see. Once you go onto your channel, you click manage channel. When you scroll down, you can see active trigger 0 because I've not activated any trigger yet, but I have 4 triggers that are built. So So you locate this particular trigger, say WhatsApp outreach. You click action and you click link trigger. You click link. So the moment you link this trigger, you can see it has now been activated. So we'll test that on social media. Go to your Instagram. You can use another Instagram account to test it out. But in this case, let's head on to Instagram right now. You can do that on your phone.
Okay, like I said, to see how your trigger and flow works, you have to use your mobile device. So this is an illustration of a client reaching out to us, so that they can reach us on WhatsApp, for instance. And like I said, let's say they saw a post or they saw a video where we said, to know more about our product, send me the word W and I'll send you our WhatsApp contact so that we can have a conversation, for instance. So in your case, it can be your website link, it can be anything. We already create a trigger whereby if the customer does type W, they get to receive the automated message. So that's what we do here. So I'll just type W, and as you can see, the message instantly triggers and the flow works. So I received the message, thank you for your interest, reach me on WhatsApp. So the moment I click chat with me on WhatsApp, it goes straight to chatting with me on WhatsApp. So that is how it works. So you've successfully created a full DM automation for your business, and it can follow various sequence. Probably you want to qualify the client here before sending him the link. How much do you have, or can you pay for this product? And you can decide. You can create various triggers, either they say yes or no. If they say no, it takes them to another sequence. If they say yes, it takes them to another sequence, down to you finalizing, okay, this is a client that will want to buy your product or want to do business with you, and they go on to taking the next step, probably a link taking them to your product or your WhatsApp contact. So this is how it works, and all of these things I just said can be done without you lifting a finger. Just create the flow once